Hey everyone, today we are going to learning the important topics to learn in Python programming language. So what are the topics we have to learn like a Python coding successfully? We are going to learning here. And first point I would like to share you, as you know that we have to get Python from python.org website. Freely we can get it and download and install based on your operating system. It might be like a Windows operating system, Linux or Mac, any of operating system. You can get it. And also you have to choose a favorite, you comfortable IDE, integrated development environment, where you can develop code programs and writing and practicing, creating projects. So learning with the help of this IDE will make you more quickly you can learn the coding, right? So ensure that first install Python programming language and IDE to setting your local development environment. Also nowadays you know that like most of the trending online compilers are also possibly there, Notebook and Anaconda, few of. So where you comfortable you choose it. The first immediately we have to choose for Python basics. Data types, variables, the declaration and Python indentation, how the syntax way we can implement while writing in data types and variable declarations. And variable declaration there is some set of rules to follow. How to write variables in productive way, in master, in professional way to like clearly achieve a professional skills that you have to concentrate, and where you have to understand like case sensitive in programming language. Most of the programming languages will apply like a capital letters will be treated as capital and a small letter will be treated as small letter. So you have to identify clearly. The next one like if else statements and simple operators, logical operators, less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to. At the same time like logical operators of and or ampersand, like not. These are the most popular logical operators where to apply like making the combination of decisions how to achieve you will be learned here. The immediately how repeatedly code to be run in a multiple records like a for loop statements and while loop statements, looping, right? Decision making system, if else conditions, statements that you have to complete in particularly this particular like basics. Come to the data structures, nested loops, tuples and list items, where most like data items are going to be arranging, rearranging, accessing of indexing points and slicing. This you have to learn very clearly, which will help you like really awesomely helping in data science concepts in Python greatly. Once these concepts are over, where you have to step into object oriented programming. So OOPS principles, as you know that like basics of class, objects and polymorphism, inheritance, parent child relationship, how classes are going to be established, abstraction. Yes, Python is also completely supports abstractions greatly. So these topics you have to do. Once you reach up to this level, you may consider like a web application development using any one of frameworks. Django, Flask, they are readily available frameworks. And the Python, when you are completed these advanced topics with the framework, where you have to concentrate like a RESTful API and also microservices. So RESTful API majorly you have to concentrate like get, put, post. These are the methods and delete. These are the four methods where you have to focus to exchanging the data to server to client, client to server. How you are making CRUD operation also we can say that. These things you have to test it thoroughly using like a Postman API tester, live tester. So this way if you learn, and also code debugging techniques where you are writing performance code or not, where you are writing like a more accurate code or not. These things you have to test it in your own way. Yes, these all are possible with learning AI. Choose any one of generative AI tool to start learning step-by-step process and apply real-world examples and test your code with AI. Greatly it will support and help you rewrite the code and give you. Take the code and test with your own IDE where you can more add your own way and apply your logical and problem solving skills, techniques, apply and also learn from AI. So this is the way easily you can learn very important concepts and topics in Python programming language. Ensure if you feel comfortable and you learn something from this video lecture, please do subscribe for more interesting videos for future. Thank you.